Yeah, well, what's going on over there? Smoko over for another day. Peanut butter jelly. Pretty hard to beat, fresh bread. Bit of tall timber country around here. Valley of the Giants. Just at Rooney's Bridge for an overnight stop. On our way back to Bunbury, we've got a house that we're going to house sit for a week in Bunbury. Gonna go in a house for a week? Yeah, it's gonna be weird, isn't it? Hey, it's a big camper trailer that you can't pack up. So that's a week house sitting done and dusted in our hometown Bunbury. Even had a few chores to do, like mowing the lawn, cleaning the house, that kind of stuff, which is something a bit different for us. So being in a house allowed us to get a bit of maintenance done on the car. Also installed twin head ARB air compressor under my seat. So I've been wanting to do that for a while. We just bought a brand new black Duna cover as well, so that'll show up a bit less dirt than our grey one. And also ordered a set of 4 black Max tracks, so when they come in we'll do a trip back to Bunbury and pick them up. So it's good to tick off a few boxes while we're here. So if you've got one of these Camprite campers, the simplest way to make the bed is to access it from the side. So you undo the bungee cords down here and the Velcro, and then you can make the bed standing up on the outside. Just a little tip we learned along the way. Just topping the water tank up, hanging out to get back on the road. We're going to head up to Lake Kepwari, I think it's called. It's up near Collie there. Well, here comes Mr. Whippy. I just got our 2 Red Road chairs. These things save so much space. They're like half the size of a normal chair, if not less. That's frame set up, it's just on elastic, all slots in together. And then you just got this canvas seat that goes over the top. This is a camp cover ammo bag that we're running now. It's got the thermal fly in it. That's camp all set up, Lake Parry. It is hot, it's like 36 degrees. So just unpacked the stand-up paddleboard. We're going to go down for a swim and a paddle. We were just kicking back at camp and we had someone come by and inform us that the coronavirus has kicked off again in Perth. So there was a security guard that's been out in the public for 5 days that's had the virus and potentially passed it on. So 3 of the regional borders are going to be going into lockdown again. The metro area, the Peel region and the southwest. So we're currently in the southwest region right now. And if we don't get kicked out of this campsite, we're going to try and sit out the 5 days over the lockdown here. Definitely getting some deja vu from when we got kicked out of Tasmania. I'll put a link up here for you guys to check out that video if you haven't seen it already. But whatever happens from here on out, we'll film it and keep you guys up to date. Last couple of days she's really got her balance sorted with sitting up. We went out to Wellington Dam this morning and checked out the new artwork on the dam wall. We've got some pretty cool drone footage and I'm going to put the drone up in a little while on sunset here at Lake Kepwari, so we'll roll on those clips right now. Hey legends, so these videos take about 1 million clicks to make on the keyboard. If you guys could just do 1 or 2 clicks and go down and give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and also subscribe if you haven't already, I'd greatly appreciate it. Yeah. Cheers.